Welcome to this video. We will know how to clear cache on Instagram. We go to the Instagram icon and press long press, then click on Info app. Clear data. Clear cache. And there is another way through the settings. Then applications, then application management. And we search for Instagram and do the same process as the first.